With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is two pendulums are at rest swinging together and their length are respectively 1.44 meter and 1 meter. They will start again swinging in the same phase together after of longer pendulum, that is ABCD options are given here, so we have to find the correct option. So the solution of this question is, let T1 and T2 be the time period of, so this is time period of, we can write here, this is period here, time period of first and second pendulum. So this is our first pendulum and this is our second pendulum. So we know that time period is equals to under root of length, or we can say that it is directly proportional to length. So from this we get time period 1 divided by time period 2 is equals to length 1 divided by length 2. So we have the length 1 is 1.44 and this is 1. So we can write here this is 1.44 and this is divided by 1. So this is 144 divided by 100, that is equals to 12 divided by 10. So from this we get time period 1 divided by time period 2 is 12 divided by 10, that is 6 divided by 5. So from this we get 5 time of time period 1 is equals to 6 time of time period 2. So from this we can say that time taken 5 complete vibration by longer is equals to 6 is equals to time taken by is equals to time taken by 6 complete vibration by shorter. So now we check which is asked to us in the question. So we have to give the after of longer pendulum, they will start again swinging in the same phase after of 5 vibration of longer pendulum. So our option D is correct here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.